Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Presearch coin pre. Okay, so like you can see, Precoin has a BTC pairing on KuCoin that I'm currently using. Okay, so to sign up on KuCoin, all you have to do is go to the description of this video and click the KuCoin link and sign up, and after that come back to this video and I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Presearch coin. Okay, so after you have signed up, all you have to do is either the first thing that you have to do is get Bitcoin on your KuCoin account, so you can trade that Bitcoin into Presearch coin. Okay, and to get Bitcoin on KuCoin account, you can either first buy Bitcoin or you can deposit Bitcoin if you already own Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you how to do both of them. So first, if you want to buy Bitcoin, all you have to do is go to homepage and click buy crypto. After that, click third party. And here you can straight up buy Bitcoin with your credit card. When you click the USD icon, you can select the currency that you want to pay with. Okay. And after that, select how much Bitcoin you want to buy and just purchase it. Okay. And after the purchase is done, your Bitcoin will show up right here in your main wallet. Now, if you already own Bitcoin and you want to deposit it, all you have to do is go to your assets and main wallet and click deposit and select Bitcoin here. And you will get your own Bitcoin address where you can depositing address where you can send your Bitcoin. Okay, so now you should have Bitcoin in your main wallet. You have either bought it or you have deposited. Okay, so the next step is this. I'm going to explain you how KuCoin works. Okay, so KuCoin has two different wallets, main wallet and trading wallet. So when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, that's when you can trade. You can't trade that cryptocurrency, but you can withdraw it. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, that's when you can't withdraw it, but you can trade it. Okay, so the obvious next step is to transfer your Bitcoin to your trading wallet, so you can trade that Bitcoin into a Presearch coin. Okay, and how to transfer it between these two wallets? All you have to do is click the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. After that, click transfer, and like you can see, from main account to trading account, and select here how much you want to transfer and click confirm. So you can transfer between these two wallets. It works vice versa, like you can see. Okay, and it's instant and it's free and it's easy. Okay, so now you know how to transfer between these two wallets. So now you should transfer your Bitcoin into your trading wallet. Okay, so you can trade that Bitcoin. So now when your Bitcoin is in your trading wallet, go to market and search for Pre and click Pre/BTC. After that, click buy, and here is the trading desk. Okay, so on the upper left corner where you see Pre/BTC, so the one on the left, Pre, is the currency that you are currently buying, and the one on the right where it says BTC, that is the currency that you're currently selling. So you're selling your Bitcoins and trading that into Presearch coin Pre. Okay, and how to do it is simple. Check out the right side of my screen, and on the bottom you can see green numbers. Those are buy orders. So people are currently buying Pre. Okay, and on the top you can see red numbers. So those are selling orders. Somebody is currently selling Pre. Okay, so you're currently buying Pre. So all you have to do is check out the red numbers here, and when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, that is the lowest that somebody is currently selling Presearch coins. Okay, so when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, you will automatically get the best price. Okay, which means that you will get the most coins so you will get more bang for your buck. Okay, so click the bottom one of the red numbers. After that, select how much Pre you want to buy. Click the amount where it says, and you can either type here how much you want to buy, or you can use these percents. So when you go with like 50%, that means that you are selling 50% of your Bitcoins and trading that into Pre. But if you, for example, want to trade all of your Bitcoins into Pre, all you have to do is click 100%, and now you're going to sell 100% of your Bitcoins and trading that into Pre. Okay, so after you have selected how much Pre you want to buy, click buy Pre, and the trade will execute. And when you go back to your assets, the Presearch coin will show up right here. Okay, So now if you want to withdraw the Presearch coin, all you have to do is keep it in your main wallet and click withdraw and search for Pre, and here it is. Okay, and here you can withdraw your Pre tokens. Okay, and if you want to keep trading your Pre tokens, all you have to do is transfer it to your trading wallet, and you can keep trading it. Okay, so that is how it works. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a subscription, because that would help me a lot. Thank you so much, and leave a like if you found this video helpful. And if you have any problems with this method, or cryptocurrency related problems, comment down below. I'm here to help you if I can. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.